Okay, it's Monday, September 25th, just following up on Tesla. You can see we have the confirmed kind of inside bar failure to the downside, the red bar heading lower here. So I just scaled out to set up a no-risk trade. I bought the 250 puts on the last video. I discussed that at 983, just scaled out at 1080, point higher to set up a no-risk trade. And now we'll see if this kind of works its way down towards the midpoint of that first bar and then the lows of the day. In the big picture, you can see here the trend is down, so I'm biased to the downside, looking for a good down signal. And strat-wise anyway, you know, a combination of a couple of things. First of all, it took out that first bar high, but really couldn't be following through. We had that inside bar here, which was a great, you know, potential setup. And then once we went up and then failed, coming back down, that's really high probability that you're going to at least start to try to go a little lower and then see if we, you know, get all the way to the lows of the day. Structure-wise, we still really haven't gotten above the first bar. We've attempted a couple of times, but we have to get through the midpoint of that first bar, you know, to really take out the lows of the day. So we'll see if that happens at no risk right now. And again, I use that 5-minute shooter bar here, kind of anticipating the 15-minute chart would fail. And at least we have that going right now. So anyway, we will see what happens at no risk. If it somehow holds in here, there's a little support here on this buying tail. You know, that's going to be an area we got to see if it gets through. We'll kind of judge it by price action. Maybe it makes another push up again. So you never know, but it's at no risk right now. It's heading lower. So, and in the big picture, like I said, on the weekly chart, after this big red week, you're expecting a little follow through lower, and this target's down here. Maybe to the 235 area. And then, you know, if really things get really weak, we can be heading all the way back down to those lows.